Hey! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has sparked countless debates whether wearing hats can lead to hair loss. We'll explore the facts and dispel the myths, so you can confidently sport your favorite headgear. Let's get started. The hat hair loss myth. So, you've probably heard the myth that wearing hats can cause hair loss. But let's clear the air, there's no scientific evidence to support this claim. Hair loss is typically caused by factors like genetics, hormones, diet, and stress, not your choice of headwear. How hats actually affect your hair. Here's the deal. Hats, when worn appropriately, won't harm your hair. In fact, they can offer some benefits. Hats protect your hair and scalp from harmful UV rays, pollution, and weather elements. They can even help prevent your hair from getting greasy or damaged. Choosing the right hat matters. If you're concerned about your hair health while wearing hats, choose your headgear wisely. Opt for hats made from breathable, natural materials like cotton or wool, which allow proper air circulation. Avoid tight-fitting hats that may cause friction or tension on your hair and scalp. Hat hair and temporary effects. We've all experienced hat hair, that flattened, unruly look after taking off your hat. But rest assured, it's a temporary issue. A good shampoo and a bit of styling can quickly fix it. Hat hair doesn't lead to permanent hair loss. The importance of cleanliness. To maintain healthy hair, ensure your hats are clean. Sweat, oil, and dirt can accumulate in your hat, potentially causing scalp issues if left unchecked. Regularly wash or clean your hats to keep them fresh. Conclusion and recap. So, in conclusion, wearing hats won't cause hair loss. It's a myth that's been debunked by experts. Hats can be stylish, functional, and protective for your hair and scalp when chosen wisely. Remember that factors like genetics and lifestyle play a more significant role in hair loss. So, rock your favorite hats with confidence. Thanks for joining us on this hair-raising journey. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell.